Hello everyone, welcome to the new trade breakdown video. In this video, we will break down the all trade that from today with the strategy MS-SNR. And if you are new to this channel, I suggest you to watch this complete strategy video so you will get understanding about my strategy. And basically, I trade the market structure and support resistance. And yeah, let's break down the trade. I suggest you to trade after the 2 a.m. here. Let's cut it and let's just wait for the face new structure. And you can see we got the face structure here, and let's just wait for the market to break. And you can see it's not breaking yet. Now it's breaking here, and this is our support become resistance level, and this top is our apex level. And let's go to the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute, we will wait for the I think it's already from here. Entry is already formed here, which is this bearish candle. Yeah, this is the indicator, which is inverse fair value gap indicator. You can just edit from the just typing prodel and you can get the indicator here. And let's just play it little bit, and you can see it got one SL here, and after that it again formed the brown candle here after touching again into this support become resistance level, and then it goes like this, and our TP is about 1:3 or 1:2. You can take any of the risk reward, and you can see it perfectly at 1:2 and 1:3 are. And let's go to the 5 minute time frame. The 5 minute, let's wait for the valid market structure. You can see this level is already played from here, and you can see market reached to this apex level, and here there is the sell trade, and you can just take 1:2 or 1:3 error like this, and also this trade it 1:3 error, and again let's wait for the new structure. And you can see this yeah, this is the structure. This is the basic structure here. Let's wait for the market to reach into this structure. Unfortunately, it did not reach to this structure. Yeah, it reached to the structure after the 10 a.m. like this. Let's see here. And I only trade London session and the New York AM session. So yeah, this is the setup here, and we can see there is no any inter confirmation on the 1 minute time frame, and it broke the structure here, and it did not retest to this level, and after some time it reaches to that level, and it went up like this. And let's go to the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute, it formed the big bullish candle here, which created the inverse fair value gap. It's little bit big, but yeah, this is inside the structure. So yeah, we can take the trade in our SL to break even into in 1:1.5, and sadly did not hit 1:1.5, and it took our SL. And you can see here on the 5 minute time frame, there is no any structure currently here. This is the one loss and one win and one win and another loss. Of total 4 trade, 2 loss and 2 win. Yeah, this is the trade on the Nasdaq. If we see on the gold, there is no any trade, but if we see here on the 1 hour, this is the counter trend level, and if we refine on the 15 minute, this is the perfect zone. And if you see on the 3 minute time frame, it formed the big white candle, which is the big SL. This is not logically good trade. So yeah, this was on the gold. and Nasdaq. Keep supporting on my YouTube channel. And if you have a question, you can just ask me on the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.